Hino, Toyota, I don't even know what to call it. Hino. It's a Hino.
Let me tell you a story about the Taino people, one of the first indigenous civilizations of the Americas. They had a word for the most powerful force in nature, huracan. They didn't fear it. They named it, they respected it, and they built their lives around it. That same quiet, unstoppable strength. That's what I see in this Hino. Born in Japan, reborn in BC, built to face whatever nature throws at it. The Taino would have understood this truck.
So yeah, we're gonna have onboard air.
Yeah, it's a 1.5 gallon tank, but the bigger compressor.
Yeah. And this time it's gonna be outside, not inside.
Inside the rear toolbox, I think.
Oh, inside the rear toolbox, okay, but not in the cab.
Maybe this will be mounted in the toolbox, this will be mounted under the truck somewhere.
Oh, I see, okay.
Tank, right?
Yeah, nice.
They don't give you a shit for hose, but I got.
This is what confuses me so much. The door says Toyota. So is this a Toyota or a Hino? Can we just call it one thing? Something that's easy to pronounce, not Hino, Hino, Toyota. Just one thing.
All right, let's stop complaining and get back to work. Still a lot to do.
On a better note, don't mean to complain, but I am. We're painting the doors today. First, the inside, you can see that's still red. And then the doors are gonna get flipped over to complete the look. And the doors will be saber sand. They're gonna be sabering in sand color. And then the vehicle will gain its final-ish look. Anything you would add to it?
I do the rack, all the tail lights, the deck lights, roof lights. Well, I don't know what we're doing with those yet. If we're gonna get the rubies or...
The rubies, yeah, probably, at least in the bumper.
And then it's gonna be going to the other shop to get the gear conversion done, the 456s. It's ready to go for that. Put all the interior back together. Figure out a back seat, because the back seat's not gonna... I might just make that other back seat fold down for now. I don't know if we want to get or I was gonna talk to Brad and see if I cut out a center section, if he can reupholster a center section of that seat that folds down.
Yeah.
Keep it that stock low look. But we got more cab height in this one, so we can have a higher seat, right? I do have another set of seats I could put in the back, but they won't match the front, right? Those other black ones. And we got the air install, and we still haven't even test driven it.
Now we can move on to the doors and accessories in our sand color. One we got here. And after letting them dry for a bit, we flip them over. All right, doors are done now. Let's put it all back together. And this is the exact moment Drew realizes the next step is going to take a whole lot of patience.